So now it's time for the most frequent question of them all. On an install, I would say 95% of the time this is the most asked question, is what is the maintenance and how frequently should we do it? Let's take a deeper dive into what the maintenance is on the DTF machines. So first of all, hold the left arrow key and move your carriage into the middle. Once your carriage is into the middle, turn off the power switch on the side. And this will give you free movement of the carriage and also your wiper blade. So, first things first, once your head carriage is in the middle and your wiper and your cap tops are exposed, it's cleaning those first. Clean the surrounding edges of the cap top. We're never dabbing in the middle because the surrounding edges is where the head is going to sit. And then after this, just repeat the same procedure for your colour cap top. Next is your wiper blade. Now this is very pivotal as this is what's going to come into contact with your head. So you never want to make sure that there's any mess whatsoever on it. Another thing that you can do with your wiper is in this tray is where any excess ink will fall into. It's just dab that out and make sure that it never spills. So the next step after the cap tops and wipers have been cleaned is your print heads. Again, this is extremely pivotal as any build-up of white solid ink or any muck or anything can start nozzle dropouts, which means you'll need plenty of cleaning and potentially engineer's visits. So around the print heads, you've got these black wings. That is what you're cleaning. So softening him up with the cleaning fluid. So once you've got your wiper cleaned, cap tops cleaned and your heads, push the print head carriage back into the middle and then hit the power. This will reinitialize and find its home position. An additional part of the maintenance, which you may not see from the outset, is checking for glycol on the heater bulbs on the dryer. So if you come round and open the latch on each side, you'll be able to lift up and check underneath. Always ensure when checking that the heater is completely off and there's no heat getting to the bulbs whatsoever. You want to make sure that there's no debris building up at all, which can then drop onto your media and ruin your prints. The answer to the second question, how often you should do the maintenance. The answer is you should do the maintenance every day, especially after long-lasting printing, to stop any build-up under the printhead surface.